Jute industry. Jute cloth, gunny bags, etc. are made from jute fibers. Nowadays, the demand for gunny bags and jute bags have reduced. In its place, bags made from artificial fibers are in demand. Where are jute industries located? Find out from the map and write. Students, jute strings are used to make jute cloth, gunny bags, ropes, etc. However, in these days, bags are made from artificial strings and so demand for jute bag has decreased. Jute industries are mainly located in Titanagar, Havda, Sialda, Kolkata in West Bengal and mainly on the banks of river Hooghly in West Bengal. Petrochemicals industry. Mineral oil is extracted from the interior of the earth. There are many components in mineral oil. Different components are separated after its purification to get kerosene, diesel, petrol, tar, coal, etc. This industry is dependent on mineral oil. The refineries in Vadodara, Jamnagar, Mumbai, Vishakhapatnam, Chennai, etc. purify mineral oil. The dyeing and the pharmaceutical industry are parts of the petrochemical industry. Various chemicals, soda ash, petrochemicals, etc., are produced as a part of the dyeing and the pharmaceutical industry. Today, chemical fertilizers are used more in agriculture. The chemical fertilizer factories are located at Kalol, Vadodara, Sindri, Mumbai, Gorakhpur, and Durgapur. Students, the industry which separates mineral oil into various components and produce several products are known as petrochemical industries. Mineral oil is obtained from the interior of the earth. Various components such as petrol, kerosene, diesel, tar, coal, etc. are obtained from mineral oil. Vadodara, Jamnagar, Mumbai, Vishakhapatnam, Chennai, etc. are important centers of mineral refineries in India. Color and chemical industry is also a part of petrochemical industry. Various chemicals such as soda ash, chemicals, color and dyes, etc. are produced in petrochemical industries. Even chemical fertilizers used in agriculture are part of petrochemical industries. Kalol, Vadodara, Sindri, Mumbai, Gorakhpur, and Durgapur are important centers of industries of chemical fertilizers. Dear children, fill in the table given below with the information provided in the lesson and also add extra information if you can. Industries dependent on agriculture. Students, the industries which are dependent on agriculture are cotton, jute, sugar industry, edible oil industry, BD industry. Industries dependent on minerals. The industries which are dependent on minerals are cement industry, iron steel industry, petrochemical industry, vehicles industry, non-carbonic chemicals industry. Industries dependent on forest, paper industries, furniture industry, playing instrument industry, Ayurvedic medicine, ship industry. Students, in refineries, petrol, diesel, kerosene, paraffin, naphtha, lubricating oil, fuel oil, etc. are got from mineral oil. Refineries purifying mineral oil are located in Koili in Baroda, Jamnagar, Mumbai, Vishakhapatnam, Kochi, Chennai, Digboi, Barauni, Haldia, Gorakhpur, Durgapur, etc. The centers of chemical fertilizer are Sindri, Mumbai, Gorakhpur, Durgapur, Talcher, Haldia, Kalol, Kandla, Hajira, Baruch, Fulpur, Anwala in Uttar Pradesh, etc. Transportation in India. Roads and transportation are not only used by man to transport goods from one place to another, but also to bring the people nearer to each other. It helps in promoting the unity of a nation. There are roadways, airways, railways, and waterways in India. Along with them, ropeways are also used. Pipelines are used to transport liquids. Students, there are five ways of transportation in India. First is roadways, second railways, third airways, fourth waterways, and fifth ropeways. Students, if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe the channel Asma Babwani. Click on the bell icon to get the latest updates. Like the videos, share the videos, and do comment on all the videos.